I'll show you the easiest way to install a trailer wiring harness on a Honda Pilot. This has all the plugs and adapters to fit the car. Open up the back hatch, lift up the tool tray, remove this plastic tray, just pull up on it. To find the plug, pull this back here, and right here is the plug. Plug in the wiring harness, push the wires back down through here. We'll peel and stick this box and put it onto the car. Clean everything with rubbing alcohol and stick it in place. Remove the rubber band. To feed this through to the bottom of the car, pull out this cap. Then we can start to feed it down to the bottom of the car. Underneath, near the spare tire, you're going to find another cap like this. Feed the connector through. I'll put the connector through the ring. Put the extra wire back in through here. To protect the wiring harness, take a little piece of electrical tape and put it right in here. I'll push the wire against the tape and put the cap back in. And the same on the bottom. We'll test everything with this trailer circuit tester. We'll plug it in. We'll put the key in so we can check the lights. Put on the left blinker, and you can see the left blinker is energized. Flip on the right blinker. You can see the right blinker is energized. We'll turn off the blinkers, then we'll press on the brake. And both brake lights are on. Release the brake. We'll turn on the lights and check the running lights. And we've got the running lights on. We'll check the hazard lights, and we can see that's working as well. Put the plastic trim back in, snap it back in. Slide the insulation back in. Close up the toolbox. That's how you install a trailer wiring kit.